This is the Oral-B Series 9 electric toothbrush. I want to start off with saying that I'm a dental hygienist. I have been cleaning teeth for 18 years and I am not associated with Oral-B. They have not even gifted me this. I paid money for it and they are not paying me to say this. It's just my own personal opinion. First of all, this brush is fantastic. Like if you want to keep your teeth, then you want this brush. I'm going to go through a couple of the features that it has pretty quickly. So it has where you can take the brush head off and on very easily. It comes with a few replacement heads, which is really nice. You should replace your head about every 3 months. And then there's the off and on switch right here. One of the things that I really like about it is it has a little timer on here, so you can actually see how long you've been brushing your teeth. That is awesome. So that way you make sure that you're doing it the correct amount of time. And the brush, it actually does kind of judge you. Like let's say, oh, I only went 17 seconds. It's gonna do a frowny face because you didn't go long enough. So as you go longer, the face gets happier as you go along. One of the other features I really like about it is, so this band right here is a blue color. I actually set mine to that blue color, and you can change it to whatever your favorite color is. But so when you're brushing, it tells you if you're brushing hard enough. So if I am here pressing this much pressure in the green, I know I'm good. If I press too hard, I'm in the red, so I know it's too hard. This is a great feature for you people who have recession out there and you're afraid of brushing too hard. That indicator of the color is going to tell you exactly where the sweet spot is for you to know if you are brushing too soft or too hard. The other things it comes with a charger that you just plug into the wall and you set it on there. The other thing that it comes with is a hard case. And this is really nice to have a hard case because if you throw it in your suitcase, and let's say it's not a hard case and the buttons accidentally get pressed, then you can end up at your destination with the battery totally worn out because the brush has been running in your bag continuously. So that is really nice that it comes with this hard travel case too. I can't say enough great things about this brush, and if you want to get your mouth healthy or keep your mouth healthy, you should get one.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for more content.